Hey gang, welcome back. It's game time. So excited. Second box of Gypsy Queen. First box I thought was very solid. Cards look good. It's fun to look for the short prints. The little chrome cards box from the box topper. Awesome. Lots of stuff that's the same as last year. The Tarot of the Diamond insert. The, what's the other one? Oh crap. The little tarot card. What's the other one? Crap. I'll run into it in a second. I'll tell you. Wait a second. Let me just. Oh yeah, fortune teller. Why could I not think of that? Anyways, they look good. There's my little chrome cards again. Save those till last. My last chrome pack was pretty good, so I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully it's good again. But for now, there's lots of packs, so let's get to breaking and see who we got. The autographs are on card, which is very good. Oh, that just looks good. Look how good that looks. These are sweet cards. Wish I had another box. I don't know if two's enough. Anderson, there's Kopech rookie. Darvish, Justice Sheffield. Zunino. Iglesias. Oh, there's my, that's a good one, Max Muncy. On card autograph, not numbered. Sweet, those look so good. It's really good that they have those on card. It kind of retains the integrity of the look of the card to have the autograph, not have a big sticker sticking on the front of it, making it look all janky. So props to Tops for that. Chew, Hap, Jesse, Low rookie. I think we got something in this pack. Yep, it is a fortune teller Yelich. Gaze into the future. Mullins, Castellanos. Chris Davis, Dozier. I ended up with two. Oh, there's one. Short print, Gypsy Queen, Brandon Woodruff. I was just saying I ended up with two short prints that I know of in box one. I've still got to go back through it to see what, if anything else is in there as far as possible, like photo variations or whatever. The missing nameplate is 1 in 21. G-Cube logo swap is 1 in 29. So yeah, that's about right. You're going to get one of those. Well, you're not guaranteed a logo swap. Oh, Bazooka Back, 1 in 57. I did not look for those in box one. I'll have to go through. Actually, we can do it. We can do it this time around right now. Let's just see. Just flip through really quickly. I'd forgotten about those from last year. Anyways, it said those were 1 in 57, so you're definitely not guaranteed one of those. Alright, nothing so far. Okay. Now, let's move on. What else? Is there anything else I could easily look for? The Indigo, black and white. I did get one of those, and that was 1 in 47. Red, 1 in 563. And then black, 1 in 5,650. Okay. Base short print. Okay, alright. Let's keep moving. So I'm looking I'll be looking for those that I just called out. There's Bo Jackson. No bazooka back there. But I'll have to go back and check my other box to see. Furious rookie. Jacoby Jones. Got something in this pack, and it is an Indigo Trey Turner. Numbered out of 250. I don't think there'd be a bazooka back in a pack with an Indigo, but I guess you never know. Burns, Suarez, Tucker, Guzman, Cueto, Freddie Freeman. Barnhart, Odozi, Ozuna. You can see they've got Ohtani on the cover. I did not pull an Ohtani base card out of my first box, but I did pull an Ohtani insert. There's a fortune teller, Kyle Tucker. Brinson, Abreu, and Muncy. Man, Austin, there's Gleyber Torres, good looking card there. Francisco Arcia is my other autograph. Another rookie auto, not numbered. That's auto number 2. Oh, I was looking for the bazooka back. So I think my autos in box 1 were actually better than this. I love Max Muncy, I really do, but I don't know exactly how good he'll. I mean, he's already shown some pretty good skills, but we'll see how it goes this season. There is a SP missing nameplate for Pedroia. There it is. SP. The other reason I say that about the autographs is box 1 had a parallel auto, where this one did not, so that makes a difference too. I may grab one more box of this stuff before the price shoots up. I don't know if anybody's noticed, but some of the older football releases from 18, from earlier in the year, the price has shot up like crazy level. Like some stuff that came out, oh, we got a bazooka back. Who is it? Alex Gordon. Sweet. Yay. Well, I don't think I need to keep looking. I probably won't pull 2, but I guess I will anyways, just in case. You never know. Anyway, stuff like Phoenix that released and hit the market at like $108 is now $200 a box. I'm not sure why that happened. If anybody can explain it to me. It's not just that. Lots of stuff that came out at around the $100 mark is now $200 a box. So I'm holding off buying anything like that that was released in 18, and the price is now like doubled. There's Yelich, Josh Bell, Bundy. Here's a fortune teller, Chris Bryant. Dahl. Oh, I didn't do my little back check. I think I'm pretty good. I really don't think I'm going to pull 2 bazooka backs. I'd love to pull one of those reds or blacks, so that would be cool. Rosario. There's an Ohtani base. First one. And a Ozzie Albies. Tarot of the Diamond. That's a good pack. Oh, and Andujar too. Hey, easy. I was trying to think, is that normal? Like, do the prices usually jump like that later on the next year? But I don't remember it happening last year. Tarot of the Diamond, Kimbrel. Bryce Harper. It's too bad this was printed up before he could be shown in his new Phillies uniform. Still not sure what to make of that. Bryce Harper on the Phillies. Tarot of the Diamond, DeGrom. It just seems crazy. But I'm sure Phillies fans are thrilled. I would be. If he was on my team, I'd be over the moon. Oh, another missing nameplate. That is CJ Cron. So 2 of those. Sweet. Wonder if I've missed any logo swaps. I think I got one, didn't I? Already. What was this one? Oh, the bazooka back. No, it looks like wait. Yeah, I did. The Brandon Woodruff. Okay. So 2. Yeah, this was a good box. 2 missing nameplates. So 3 short prints total so far. There's Juan Soto. I don't think I got one of his cards in box 1. There's a fortune teller Soto too. Alright, last regular pack, and then we'll open that chrome pack. Hopefully it's another good one. Alright, let's see who we got here. Alright, we have Franco, and these are stuck together, Longoria, and Carlos Santana. So, no parallel this time. These are some sweet looking cards though, wow. Just that in chrome just looks really good. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a lot of people that try to put together this chrome set, because I can see that as something that would have and hold a lot of value. Nice premium card. Okay, that's it. 2 boxes of Gypsy Queen. Like I said, I might grab one more. I really crushing on this stuff. It's really good this year. It's good last year too. Last year I pulled an Andujar autograph. I still remember it like it was yesterday. I was so excited. Anywho, thanks for watching. Everybody please like and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know how you're making out with your Gypsy Queen this year. Let me know also if you saw me pass up any short prints or variations that you're aware of. That would be a huge help to me. Like I said, I don't always get to respond to comments, but I do read them. But right now I'm working like 2 jobs, so I'm just insanely busy. So I'm doing the best I can. Alright, everybody take care. Hope you're doing well. I'll be back with some new cards again soon.